Have you ever thought about where spending more money can help improve your life and financial future? That's right, sometimes splurging can save you in the long run. Intrigued? Let's get started. Welcome to Forever Finance, where we want to live our lives our way. One common misconception is that spending more money is always a bad thing. However, if we shift our perspective and see certain expenses as investments rather than just costs, we can unlock a whole new world of possibilities. When it comes to allocating your financial resources, there are key areas where a little extra investment can go a long way. First up, quality over quantity. This is a classic financial principle that many of us overlook in the quest to save a quick buck. Here's the deal. Sometimes, buying a more expensive, higher quality item can save you money in the long run because it lasts longer and performs better. Think about items you use daily, like shoes, appliances, or even a mattress. A cheap pair of shoes might cost you $30, but if they wear out in 6 months and you have to replace them, you end up spending more over time. On the other hand, a well-made pair for $150 might last you several years, providing comfort and durability that cheap shoes can't match. The same goes for appliances. A high-quality blender might be a bit pricey up front, but if it comes with a robust motor and a long warranty, it can outlast several cheaper models. Plus, it'll save you the hassle and frustration of frequent replacements. Next, let's talk about investing in yourself. You are your most valuable asset. So why would you not spend money to improve or protect your ability to earn? Spending more on education, skills development, and health can lead to significant financial benefits down the road. Imagine spending money on an advanced course or certification in your field. It might be a substantial investment up front, but if it enhances your skills and increases your earning potential, that expense pays for itself multiple times over. Education and skill building are investments in your future earning power. While it was not needed for my job at the time, completing my master's allowed me to change careers into something more enjoyable and with an increased pay. Similarly, spending more on your health, whether it's high-quality, nutritious food, a gym membership, or preventative medical care, can save you from costly medical bills in the future. Your health is your greatest asset, and maintaining it can prevent expensive issues down the line. Preventative spending is another area where spending more can actually save you money. This involves investing in maintenance and prevention to avoid larger, more expensive problems later. Take your car, for example. Regular maintenance might seem like an unnecessary expense, but it can prevent major repairs that cost thousands. The same goes for home maintenance. Fixing small issues promptly can prevent them from becoming larger, more expensive problems. Even something as simple as regular dental checkups can save you from costly and painful procedures in the future. Even if you aren't a fan of the dentist, the visit is more enjoyable for a checkup and clean, rather than something more serious. Spending a little more on preventative measures can lead to substantial savings and peace of mind. Finally, let's talk about the value of buying experiences over material things. Research shows that experiences bring more lasting happiness than possessions. But how does this tie into financial benefits? When you spend money on experiences like travel, concerts, or even a nice dinner out with loved ones, you're investing in memories and relationships. These experiences often lead to greater satisfaction and well-being, which can positively impact your productivity and mental health. This positive mental health not only improves our earning ability today, but can be brought up if times get tough in the future. Furthermore, the joy and fulfillment from experiences can reduce the need for retail therapy and the cycle of buying and accumulating things you don't really need, ultimately saving you money. But what does all of these words mean in real-world scenarios? Well, let's bring these concepts to life with some real-life examples. Meet Sarah. She needs a new laptop. In scenario A, she buys a cheap $400 laptop that lasts her 2 years, but it's slow and frustrating to use. In scenario B, she invests $1,000 in a high-quality laptop that lasts 6 years, it is fast, and meets all her needs. Over those 6 years, Sarah saves money and avoids the hassle of multiple replacements. Or take John. who invests in a professional development course for $1,000. This course helps him land a promotion with a $10,000 salary increase. The initial expense is quickly outweighed by the financial benefits. So, how can you apply these principles to your own life? Here are some tips for smart spending. Research before you buy. Spend time researching products to ensure you're getting good quality. Consider cost per use. Think about how often you'll use an item. Higher cost per use items are worth spending more on. Prioritize investments in yourself. Focus on spending that enhances your skills, health, and overall well-being. Regular maintenance. Keep up with regular maintenance for your car, home, and health to avoid bigger expenses later. Value experiences. Allocate part of your budget for experiences that enrich your life and relationships. Remember, the goal isn't to spend recklessly but to spend wisely. By focusing on quality, investing in yourself, practicing preventative spending, and valuing experiences, you can make your money work harder for you. Knowing when spending more money is beneficial to them is only one of the habits the wealthy have adopted to make more money. Check out this video to see more of them.